Hi, my name is Johan Koekkoek. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm one of the partners in Aircraft Builders Europe. We started in the end of 2022 as distributor for Europe for Sling aircraft. I own an aircraft Sling TSi myself, built it myself as well. I'm very happy with the aircraft, and by the knowledge I gained with my colleagues during building the aircraft, I took the step to start up the distributorship for Sling in Europe. I'm very, very happy to be partner of those guys at Sling in Johannesburg in South Africa. I must say the support we get from them, and as well all the equipment we get is very, very high quality. It's pretty simple to build an aircraft yourself, I experienced. And I'm very happy to see here at the factory how the production goes before you receive your equipment, your parts at your workshop. And I'm convinced that those guys did a very, very good job. And that customers who buy a Sling aircraft really can rely on finally a very, very fine and good flying aircraft. I did it myself. I made from now at this moment more than 100 hours on my Sling TSi all over Europe, and I wish all the customers, future customers and pending customers, that they have the same fun and joy in the future on their aircraft as well.
So this is quality control, so anything we manufacture or buy comes through them. They kind of receive it, they inspect it, check it, make sure it's on standard, and then it goes from there on to the rest of the team. Okay, this is upholstery. Liegele, this is Mr. Johan Koekkoek from the Netherlands.
Hi.
Our new European distributor.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
Good to meet you.
And then his family, wife and friends.
Okay. How are you?
This is Liegele.
Thanks, Liegele.
So you know it, but I'm going to tell them. We make and assemble and manufacture the whole upholstery kit, everything with leather, carpets or any form of material ourselves from there.
Yeah.
Thanks, Liegele.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got two spray booths A and B. This one is nice, this one's got a swimming pool underneath. So after 12, almost now done, you'll
jump in there.
You'll see them move the roof off, and then they take the metal plates off and they can swim. It's just a filtering system, but it's not a pool.
Very good, thank you. Goodbye, and maybe see you once either in Europe or next year at Oshkosh.